Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Noor Networks. In this tutorial, we will be connecting our security gateway with management server. But before we proceed, we will just have a quick overview like how you will enable the blades in Checkpoint management server, how you will be adding the objects, network objects, host objects in Smart Console, and before proceeding with our actual lab today, we will just try to check the connectivity from our management station. So the very first thing what we are going to do is we will be checking the connectivity. Let's open the command prompt, and what we are going to do is our machine IP address is 10.1.1.100. We'll try to ping our management server, checkpoint management server. It's pingable. That's 10.1.1.150. Let's try to ping our gateway, and you can see that it is not pinging. So guys, just add a note over here that by default your gateway interface won't be pinging. So we have to give one command going to CLI. What I'm going to do is I will just put it on continuous ping, so when the command is executed the ping will start. Now as you can see that it's not pinging, right? We'll go to checkpoint gateway over here, we'll log into the CLI, and the command which you are going to give over here is fw unload local. It is saying that installing security policy from all checkpoint gateway. It's executed successfully. I will explain you, but just let me show you. It should start to ping over here, and you can see the ping has started. So basically, uh, from this management station, we were able to ping 10.1.150, but we were not able to ping 10.1.1.200. So the command which we have used is fw space unload local, and you have seen that the ping started. So let me explain. Basically, the fw unloadlocal command prevents all traffic from passing through the security gateway because it disables the IP forwarding in Linux kernel on the security gateway, on a specified security gateway. Additionally, the fw unloadlocal command removes all the policies. As you can see, it said to you over here, installing security policy, right? So fw unloadlocal command removes all policy from the specified security gateway. This means that the security gateway accepts all incoming connection destined to all active interfaces without any filtering or protection enabled. So now you can see from our management station we are able to ping to the management server as well as our gateway server. Moving on, we will quickly open the smart console and let me show you how you will enable the blades. This is our management server. We haven't added the gateway till now. When we will add, we will be seeing the gateway as well over here. So let's double click over here. Now over here you can see the blades, the software blades are available. So what all things you want to open from here, you can open it. Like since it is a checkpoint management server, what we need is logging and status. Provisioning is enabled by default. Network policy management is the one which we require because we will be working on the policies over here. Apart from that, endpoint entity logging and all, we don't require. Smart event server for now we don't require. Okay, this is enough for us. So guys, if you want to enable any blade, simply you have to check this box and click OK. The blade will be enabled. So as and when required, as per your requirement, you can enable the blades. But for our lab, this much is enough for us. Network policy management, logging and status, provisioning is more than enough for us. The default options are enough for us. So now moving on, let me show you how you will add the object. What we are going to do is we will add this management station. So what you have to do, going to network objects over here, even from here you can add, going to object and new host, you can add the host, or you can add from here as well, new host. You have to give the name, and the name we are going to give is, let's give full name, management station, and the IP address is 10.1.1.100. Click on OK. Now you will see over here the one, it means there is some changes done, that is shown over here. So once you have done any changes, since you have added a host over here, that is management station, the very first thing what you will do is you will publish. Click on publish over here and then click publish again over here. This is done. Then to push the changes on the gateway, you have to click on install policy. Basically publish is what you are using for saving the configuration, and the install policy will push the changes on the gateway. But for now, what we are going to do is we will be moving on and we will just add the management, sorry, the gateway with the management. So going over here in gateways and servers, what you are going to do, right click, new, under new you will say gateway. It is giving you two options over here, whether you want to create a checkpoint security gateway using wizard mode or classic mode. The wizard mode is basically a wizard will be open for you, or you can opt for classic mode. Let's go for classic mode. Wizard mode I will show you sometime later. Classic mode, it will open a new window for you over here. As you can see, what you have to do is you have to give the name of your checkpoint gateway. Okay, name you have to give. What name we are going to give is checkpoint gateway, and thereafter IPv4 address. You are supposed to give the IPv4 address, that will be 10.1.1.200. Secure internal communication, it's showing uninitialized. Click on communication over here. Now it is asking for one-time password. If you remember, during the time of installation of Checkpoint Security Gateway, it was, I believe, the third tutorial. In that we have set one key, SIC, activation key was there, secure internal communication key. That key we have to use over here. And initialize. If you can see, once you have clicked initialize, it is grayed out, and over here it is saying trust established. Just click OK, or if you want to test the connection, just say test SIC status, and you can see that it is giving you the domain name and everything. So okay, then you will just click OK over here. Apart from that, this is a proof that your gateway is successfully added over here. It is giving you the IP address of your gateway, which is 10.1.1.200, and Ethernet 1 IP, which we have set from the CLI, that was 192.168.0.200. Simply close this connection, and over here you can add the software blades. Just forget for now. What we are going to do, we will enable the blades as per our requirement, application filtering on later on. For now, this is moreover related to connectivity between the management and the gateway server. So let's click on OK and finish it. So this is done now, and you can see that you are getting the checkpoint gateway as well. Let's publish it. Click on publish. So once it is done, then what we have to do is we have to install the policy. We have to push it to the gateway side as well. So you will click on install policy over here, then simply click on install. It will show you the status over here on the left side down. It is still processing. If you will see, it is saying that task progress is 50%. Let's wait for some time, and it is successfully completed. You will see that installation succeeded on Checkpoint Firewall. So this is how you will be adding your gateway, guys. Sorry, by mistake I click over here. Let me take you to the same tab again. So you can see now you have a checkpoint gateway and the checkpoint management, both of the plans being shown over here. So guys, that's all about this tutorial. What we have seen at the beginning, we tried to reach to the checkpoint management server, checkpoint gateway server from the management station, and we saw that the checkpoint management station was pinging, but checkpoint gateway was not pinging. So we have run executed one command on the CLI of the checkpoint gateway, which was fw space unload local, and we have seen what is the purpose of that command. Thereafter, we have created an object, a host over here that was a management station, and finally, what we did is we have added our gateway to the management, and you can check now the status is green. Okay, okay, which means this is a successful configuration. That's all for this tutorial, guys. In the next tutorial we will be starting with the policies, but before that we will just see what all other software blades we required on the gateway, checkpoint gateway. We'll enable that and we will proceed with the policy configuration, and we will test each and every policy. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and do share with your friends. Thanks, and see you in the next tutorial.